Imagine you were in a restaurant and you ordered tea. A waiter approached you and would like to know if you want any sugar in your tea. He expected that you would want some. Would he say, "Would you like some sugar in your tea?" Or "Would you like any sugar in your tea?" If you are unsure which one is grammatical, you may watch on to find out more. We use some instead of any in yes/no questions when the person asking the question is expecting a favorable reply. Imagine a mother saw her son staring at a tray of cookies. She would ask her son in the following way: "Don't you want some more of these?" Another way of saying it is, "You would want some of these, wouldn't you?" We normally use any in yes/no questions. For example, "Do you have any stamps? I need some for my letter." In this sentence, the person asking the question simply wants to get a yes or no answer to the question. In conclusion, we can use some or any in forming grammatical yes/no questions. If a positive reply is expected, we use some. In other cases, we use any. See you next time.